morning class. So the chapter adjectives, the types of adjectives, all we have discussed. Now in chapter 6, related with adjective, some different thing we'll discuss. What are those? Degree of comparison. Means adjectives we know it is modifying nouns, but it is also used as to compare the nouns. Okay, it is also used to compare nouns. Like few sentences I am writing on the board, you just see the difference, the comparisons. The first sentence I am writing, Gagan is tall. Second, Karan is taller than Gagan. Suman is the tallest of them all. So, in these three sentences, you just see the changes of adjective. Tall we know, it is modifying noun, Gagan. How is Gagan? Gagan is tall. Is it? Karan is taller than Gagan. Again, it is modified two nouns. So, it is comparing. Third, Suman is the tallest of them all. This is also comparison, but more than two. Is it? So, here Gagan is tall. Here the adjective has used its own form. This is known as positive degree. So, this is positive. Karan is taller than Gagan. Here there are comparison between two people, Karan and Gagan. Two persons are compared with one adjective, that is taller. So it is comparative. It is comparative. Here Suman is compared to all of them, Gagan, Karan and others also. So here he is compared as the tallest. Again the adjective form has changed. Here the comparison between all. So it is known as superlative. So by this we come to know there are three types of degree in adjective: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Is it? Now what is degree of comparison then? The adjective which shows different forms are known as degree of comparison. The adjectives which shows that different forms of adjectives which modifying the noun, comparing the nouns is known as degree of comparison. There are three types of degrees: positive, comparative, superlative. Positive is the basic form or base form of adjective. Comparative, when it is compared between two people. The key word of comparative degree is that than. We are always using than in the comparative degree. And superlatives, when it is compared between more than two people. Two people comparative, base form positive, and more than two is known as superlative. Keep it in mind, base form known as positive, more than two is known as superlative, and comparative is comparison between two is known as comparative. Comparative degree we are always using than, and superlative degree always we are using the before the adjective. After the adjective then in comparative degree, and before the adjective the in the superlative degree. And in positive degree we are using the base form of adjective. We are using the base form of adjective. Base form adjective. Clear? So this is only the introduction of the chapter I have given. Now in our next classes we'll discuss about the different degrees in details. Clear? So you just go through the basic things, the introduction what I give as a positive, comparative and superlative degrees for the. With this example just keep it in mind which is positive degree, which is comparative degree and which is superlative degree related with these sentences. Try to make your own sentence to know more better, is it? And if you find out to understand the degree of comparison, the introduction, text me in Teno. Clear? The thing is that again I am telling the adjectives which form different adjectives, forms of different adjectives comparing the nouns is known as degree of comparison. Clear? 3 types: positive, comparative, superlative. Positive, the base form of adjective. Comparative, when there is comparison between two people. Superlative, when comparison is more than two people. We are using base form in the positive. We are using after the adjective, then when it is comparative degree, we are using the before the adjective in the superlative degree. Clear? These are the basic introduction of degree of comparison. Next day we will know about how positive degree, how from positive degree comparative degree can form. Formation of the degrees will discuss in the next class. Clear? Till then just revise up to this. Thank you class.